Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to show you all the best balance transfer credit cards of July 2023. Let's go straight into it. All right, guys, so the first credit card on our list is going to be the Discover It Balance Transfer Card. This card is going to give you 0% APR for 18 months, okay? Now, keep in mind, you're going to get 0% for 6 months as a purchase intro APR. So on all purchases that you make outside of just transferring over your balances from other credit cards. After that, the interest rate is going to go from 16.99 on the low end to about 27.99 on the high end. So that rewards rate is going to be anywhere between 1% to about 5%, which means that you're going to be able to get up to 5% cash back on everyday purchases at different places each quarter, like Amazon.com, like grocery stores, restaurants, gas stations, and up to the quarterly maximum when you activate. Okay, you're going to also be able to earn unlimited 1% cash back on all other purchases, and that's automatically. Okay, then the recommended credit score that you're going to need for that is going to be as low as about a 670 to get that card. And again, that is a Discover It Balance Transfer card. The second card on our list is going to be the Wells Fargo with the Wells Fargo Reflect card. Okay, this one is actually pretty good. As a matter of fact, I'm surprised it's not number one. This was going to give you 0% APR for up to 21 months, guys. Now, keep in mind, every bank is going to be a little bit different on their account terms and such. Okay, so for example, this one's going to be 0% APR for 21 months from account opening on all qualifying balance transfers. Okay, so make sure you guys read the card terms to know exactly what that means for a qualifying balance transfer. Okay. But you'll be able to get 0% APR for 21 months from account opening. Then after that is going to be 17.99% on the low end, all the way up to 29.99 on the high end. And keep in mind, guys, that's going to be your purchase APR after that time. There is no rewards rate. And to get this card, you need a minimum of about a 670 credit score or so. Okay. And again, that is the Wells Fargo Reflect card. Next on our list is going to be the City Simplicity card. Okay, now this one you're going to be able to get 0% for 21 months, guys, on balance transfers. Okay, and then you'll be able also to get 0% APR. That's going to be 0% APR for 12 months on purchases. Okay. And then also you'll be able to get 18.99% on the low end, and then as high as about 29.74%. Okay, guys. And then unfortunately, there is no rewards rate. Okay. And then as far as to get this credit card, you're only going to need about a 670 credit score. Okay. And then you'll be able to get that credit card. And again, that is the City Simplicity card. Okay, guys. Next on our list is going to be our City Diamond Preferred credit card. Okay, this is going to get you 0% for 21 months on all balance transfers. Okay, and of course that's going to last a pretty good amount of time, guys. 21 months is really hard to find nowadays. And then you'll also be able to get 0% for 12 months on purchases. You'll also be able to get 0.99% after that on the low end, and then as high as about 28.74% on the high end. Okay, no rewards rates at this time, and it looks like you're going to need about a 670 credit score to get this credit card. Okay, guys. And again, this particular card is the City Diamond Preferred credit card. Okay, real quick, I know you got questions, whether it was from this video or the video before this one, or you just have credit questions in general that you want to get answered, whether it's pertaining to personal credit, business credit, home ownership, rental property ownership, auto loans, credit cards, whatever you got questions about, I can get those answered for you guys. Okay, and not only that, but you get early access to videos just like this one. We also do member only lives and so much more. But if you want more information, just go ahead and click on the link down in the description below, and let's go and get back to the video. Next is going to be the City Double Cash card. Now, this one you're going to be able to get 0% for 18 months on balance transfers. Now, there looks like there isn't any purchase intro APR for this particular card. So nothing too special about that, unfortunately, guys. Next is going to be After that is going to be 18.99% on the low end and about 28.99 on the high end for regular intro APR. Now, this one's going to get you a 2% rewards rate. So that means you're going to be able to earn 2% on every purchase with unlimited 1% cash back when you buy plus an additional 1% as you pay for those purchases as well, guys. Looks like you only need about a 670 credit score to get that credit card. and that one is the City Double Cash Card. Okay. Next on our list is going to be the Wells Fargo Active Cash Credit Card. Okay, guys, this one's going to get you 0% APR for 15 months from account opening on qualifying balance transfer. So make sure you guys get that information as well too, so you know exactly what's going on with that card and what you need to have in order to qualify for that. So the purchase intro APR is gonna be 0% for 15 months from account opening, and then you can get as low as 19.99 on once you have the purchases and such, and as high as 29.99. That's going to have a 2% rewards, so a rewards rate as well too. So you'll be able to earn unlimited 2% cash rewards on purchases. And it looks like you need only a 670 to get this credit card. And again, that is the Wells Fargo Active Cash Credit Card. Okay, guys. Next is going to be the Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards Credit Card. Now, you guys know how strict Bank of America is. They just want to make sure that you know everything up front. So don't get nervous if they say, hey, 3% balance transfer fee. Everyone has a 3% balance transfer fee typically, and they just let you know these things up front. So you're going to see a lot of the text inside of this. Let's go into it. So 0% intro APR for 18 billing cycles on BTs. That's balance transfers, not Bluetooths. Okay. Made in the first 60 days. That's going to also come with a 3% balance transfer fee. Then it's going to be 17.99. They're talking about regular APR after this. So 17.99 on the low end, and then as high as 27.99. We'll swing back to that in a second here. So the first thing is going to be 0%, as we mentioned, but you also get 0% for 18 billing cycles for purchases. To keep in mind, guys, purchases is different from balance transfers. Balance transfers is when you take a balance from an old credit card, or it could be a new credit card. It doesn't matter the age of the credit card, but you take it from one credit card to another credit card. And the whole point of doing that is to take advantage of the specialized interest rate. Okay. So again, that's the whole purpose of doing a balance transfer. A regular purchase is just taking your card out, swiping it, and buying something, purchasing something, paying for something, and using that credit card as your payment method. Okay. Regular APR after that, as we saw earlier, going to be 17.99 on the low end, and then about 27.99 on the high end. And they're also going to have a 1% to 3% rewards rate. So I think that's pretty cool. So you're going to be able to earn 3% cash back in the category of your choice, and that's going to be up to $2,500 in combined choice category grocery store wholesale clubs, and that's going to be quarterly purchases. Okay, earn an automatic 2% at grocery stores and wholesale clubs, up to $2,500 in combined choice category grocery store wholesale club quarterly purchases. Earn unlimited 1% on all other purchases, guys. Okay. Next is going to be good to excellent. You're going to need about a 670 credit score to get this particular credit card. And again, the name of this one is the Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards Credit Card. Okay. Next on our list is going to be our City Custom Cash Card. Okay, guys, this one is another great card to have because you get 0% for 15 months on balance transfers, and they also give you that on purchases, as you guys can see here as well. Okay, next is going to be the regular APR after that's going to be 18.99 on the low end, and then as high as about 28.99 on the high end. Okay, guys, the rewards rate looks like you're going to get anywhere between 1% to about 5%. Let's see how you can get that. So earn 5% cash back on purchases in your top eligible spend category each billing cycle up to the first $500 spent. So that's pretty good. 1% cash back thereafter. Then you'll be able to earn unlimited 1% cash back on all other purchases. Okay, guys, and looks like you only need about a 670 credit score in order to get this credit card. Okay, so you most definitely want to keep an eye out for this particular credit card. All right. Hey guys, real quick, if you're looking to improve your credit score, qualify for homeownership, get a high limit credit card, or lower your car payment, I can help you. Okay, I've helped a lot of people. Even some of these people came from this channel. Some people are local, like these people behind me. Let me show you guys some quick examples. This client, this client, this client, this client, and yes, even this client. I've helped all of them improve their credit scores and accomplish their credit and financial goals. But check this out. Just for you guys watching this on YouTube, I'm going to give you guys a special promo code that you can use to go ahead and take advantage of my advanced credit blueprint. Okay, to get started, all you got to do is just go to the link inside the description below, and don't forget to use that promo code. Now let's get back to the video. And next on our list, you'll be able to get our Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards credit card. Okay, guys, this one's going to give you 0% intro APR for 18 billing cycles on all balance transfers for the first 60 days. Don't forget, Bank of America loves to make sure you know everything up front, so they're reminding you yet again about that 3% balance transfer fee. Okay, then it's going to be purchases regular APR to 17.99% on the low end, as high as 27.99 APR on the high end. Okay, guys, you got a 1.5% unlimited cash back on all purchases. That's the rewards rate that you're going to get, and it looks like you only need a 670 credit score in order to get this particular credit card. Okay, guys. And last that's on our list is going to be our Bank AmeriCard credit card. This one honestly should always be in the top 3 in my personal opinion. And that's, I like to see the amount of time that banks are going to give you to pay something off. You know, to have 0% is a perk. Let's be totally honest. However, let's be everyone's money is going to be a little bit different. So let's be honest. Some people need that amount of time. Some people need 21 months, 18 months, 15 months, because 12 months and 9 months, you rarely see those, but you're not going to see those types of low timelines in the best of the, in my list of the best credit cards. Okay, guys. But either way, 0% APR for 21 months. That's on purchases as well. And then after that's going to be as low as 15.99% on the low end. And then the high end is going to be as high as 25.99%. And there's no rewards rate on this one, unfortunately. And looks like you only need about a 670 credit score to go ahead and get approved for this one. All right, guys. So now, if you want to apply for any of these credit cards, if you want to learn more about these credit cards, or even if you want to compare these credit cards, you most definitely can do so. I got the link down below so you can learn more about these credit cards, and be sure to click that link below. Okay. So of course, if you guys like this video, like it. If you want to share it, share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe, as we got nothing but great content well on the way. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.